car. I think it's a truck.
No, that's a van. We ride a van.
Oh yeah, like I saw outside. In
Where?
here in the house, diba, earlier?
That's a taxi.
Taxi and a van.
But we go there with a van. When I go home na, I ride a taxi.
Yeah, but did Ate Candice vomit in the van?
Yeah.
Hala, the van will not...
No, she carry man a plastic bag.
And vomit inside?
Yeah, in the plastic bag.
So he did not vomit in the van?
In the carpet of the van. But it smells bad.
It
Because
smells...
there's a aircon all over. Then he eat na candy.
Huh?
Yeah.
That will make him vomit? That will make
No,
him vomit again?
Because the candy is a menthol.
I think you need idea. You need to put medicine. You need to put candy on the medicine, and then after that, if he licks it, she will be all better. Should do that like a plan or idea.
Then when we arrive, she go to the beach na and swim with Ate Kiara.
And who else? With you?
Yeah, also me and Ate Kong and
did
Lola and Lolo.
And then did you throw him up? Did you throw her up in the air?
Like in the movie.
I want to do it to me too, like this.
Woo! Like that.
And then you catch her.
No,
Don't
I
catch
just
her.
throw it.
You
Then,
just throw her.
On the beach. Splash all over.
And then a big splash. How about your big splash?
No, nobody throwing with me.
Huh?
Nobody will throw me. 'Cause
No!
I'm so heavy.
You lang mag-jump.
Yeah.
Jump.
Yeah.
You just jump lang, but how big is your splash? Like jump ba? How big is it? Like a bomb, like this. Boom, 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 like that. Like that.
Yeah.
And what else?